You what the?
Man, can you believe how loud this thing? Oh, here comes Josh.
What was that?
What?
That siren!
I didn't hear a siren.
Okay.
Alright, let's see what other sounds this thing can make. Alright, we've got building exploding, car crashing, fat lady screaming. Anyway, what was I talking about? Ooh, rapid firecrackers.
Just when you think Drake's gonna do one thing, he just wanted to.
How great is this thing? Okay, let's hear that fat lady scream. Oh, Josh, come on back.
What was that?
Dude, I don't know what you mean.
Oh, come on! Wait, you didn't hear those firecrackers? Well, it sounded like they were coming from
Yeah, we should get those stairs carpeted.